potential of trade.
Kopogre gi mano, hami weche motenre kod somo. Ndalo machuok bang' jopuonjre mag mbalariany golo ywak margi ewi leo mar omenda mag siro sombgi. Piny owacho koro wacho ni osechwalo omenda makamago ne jopuonjre duto. Ka oloso e kinde romo mare kod jokombe mag kamiti mopogore opogore mag od bura ewi budget mabalang'. Jakom mar kamiti od bura mano mar loso budget Ndini Nyoro olando ni sirkal oseoro ne jopuonjre duto mag mbalariany omenda e accounts mag-gi mag bengi. Njoro bende nolero ni gisemiyo skunde mago mag sekondar ma adundo siling bilion 3.4 mar gero godo kilese manyien. Wawinjana.
We have also allocated significant resources to junior secondary schools. One, in terms of infrastructure, where we have allocated 3 billion shillings, or 3.4 billion, project that will be undertaken through NGCDF as the new model, because the president has given express instructions that the work of constructing classes, CDF has been seen largely to be very efficient, and therefore will be collaborating with the Ministry of Education to deliver the extra classrooms for JSS. We have also allocated monies for higher education, largely in terms of loans through HELB and also scholarships. And I want to assure all parents that we have resourced our education sector well. That is why actually this week we have seen also the monies that have delayed for university students who reported earlier in the year have been sent, and most of it already credited in their accounts.
Nyakoromga jonko pogre gi mano ami weche motenre kod